तर हे SY BSCचं लेक्चर आहे. तर आपण इथं युनिट 3 स्टार्ट करत आहोत. तर बघा इथे इनर प्रॉडक्ट ऑन रियल व्हेक्टर स्पेसेस. तर व्हेक्टर स्पेस म्हणजे काय हे आपण बघितलेलं आहे. रियल व्हेक्टर स्पेस म्हणजे काय, आर इज द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर अँड सपोज व्ही इज अ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट such that we can define addition on V such that for all u v belong to V, u plus v belong to V, that is V is closed under addition, and addition satisfy four property: u plus V is equal to V plus u. Then there exists 0 belong to V such that for all u belong to V, u plus 0 is equal to 0 plus u is equal to u. And for any u belong to vector space V, there exists some small v belong to vector space V such that u plus V is equal to V plus u is equal to 0 वेक्टर अँड ॲडिशन इज असोसिएटिव्ह. तर हे काय आपल्याला माहीत आहे. आणि स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन फॉर एनी अल्फा बिलॉंग टू आर अँड फॉर एनी व्ही बिलॉंग टू व्ही, अल्फा व्ही बिलॉंग टू व्ही, देन अल्फा इंटू u plus v is equal to alpha u plus alpha v, then alpha beta u is equal to beta alpha u, and 1 into u is equal to u. There are such any non-empty set v with addition and scalar multiplication defined on it is called as a vector space, and it is since the set of real number has been involved, scalar multiplication is by the elements of real number set, and therefore such vector spaces are called as a real vector spaces. तर आता हे वेक्टर स्पेस विषय आपण पहिल्या युनिटमध्ये काय माहिती घेतलेली आहे. तर आता ह्या युनिटमध्ये आपण वेक्टर स्पेस, व्हॉट इज द इनर प्रॉडक्ट ऑन ए वेक्टर स्पेस. तर आपल्या चॅप्टरचं नाव आहे इनर प्रॉडक्ट ऑन ए रियल वेक्टर स्पेस. इनर प्रॉडक्ट on a real vector space. Here, let V be a real vector space. Let V be a real vector space. Here V be a real vector space. Here a map angle bracket defined from V cross V to R is called an inner product. तर आता इथे बघा, तर इनर प्रॉडक्ट अँगल ब्रॅकेट हे जे सिम्बॉल आहे जे तुमच्या समोर आहे, तर धिस इज अ रेड ॲज अँगल ब्रॅकेट. तर अँगल ब्रॅकेट फ्रॉम V cross V to R is a real valued function. Means angle bracket is a function that associate any two vectors of the real vector space V to unique real number, and that real number is called as a angle bracket U and V. तर V हा रियल व्हेक्टर स्पेस आहे आणि अँगल ब्रॅकेट हा V क्रॉस V. तर फर्स्ट लेट मी टेल यू व्हॉट इज द V क्रॉस V. V क्रॉस V is the set of types u comma v so that u v belong to V. Here V क्रॉस V, समजा V हा रियल व्हेक्टर स्पेस आहे. तर all the set of the type u comma v so that u v are vector belong to V. Then V cross V, the set of all possible ordered pairs of the type u comma v is called as V cross V. It is called as a Cartesian product of the set V with the set V. तर आता सियर, तर अँगल ब्रॅकेट हा एक असा रूल आहे जो V क्रॉस Vच्या प्रत्येक इलेमेंटशी एकमेव असा रियल नंबर असोसिएट करतो. अँड दॅट रूल वी नो दॅट फंक्शन फ्रॉम द सेट ए टू द सेट बी is a rule that associate each element of A with one and one element of B. Therefore, here our F from A to B means it is a relation that associate each element of A with one and one element of B. Therefore, angle bracket is a function defined on V cross V. Angle bracket is a function from V cross V to R. तर अँगल V cross V काय हे आपण इथे एक्सप्लेन करतोय. V cross V is the set of all the elements of the type U comma V such that U V belong to V, and therefore angle bracket is a function from V cross V to R, so that angle bracket is some rule, some law, some mathematical expression that associate each element of the set V cross V with some real number, and that real number is called as inner product of those elements. See here, and this angle bracket from V cross V R is called a map. Angle bracket from V cross V to R is called an inner product on V, an inner product on V, inner product on V, on V, if it satisfies the following properties. If it satisfies the following properties. It satisfies the following properties. The following properties. Property. Number one property, angle bracket U comma V is same as angle bracket V comma U. Angle bracket U comma V is same as angle bracket V comma U. This property is called as a symmetry. This property is called as a symmetric property. Symmetric property. See here, angle bracket U comma V is same as angle bracket V comma U. Means the inner product of the vector U and V is same as the inner product of vector U and U. So the property number 2, angle bracket U plus V, angle bracket U plus V comma W is equal to angle bracket U comma W, angle bracket U comma W plus angle bracket V comma W. Angle bracket U plus V comma W is equal to angle bracket U comma W plus angle bracket V comma W. This is the property number 2. Property number 3, angle bracket K times U comma V is equal to K angle bracket U comma V. K angle bracket U comma V. See here, for all K belong to R. For all K belong to R. If K is real number, then angle bracket KU comma V is equal to K angle bracket U comma V. And property number 4, angle bracket U comma U is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Angle bracket U comma U is greater than 0 or equal to 0 for all U belong to V. For all U belong to V. And angle bracket U comma U is equal to 0 if and only if U is equal to 0. See here, such a function defined on V cross V is called as inner product defined on V. So this is the definition of inner product. Now let us consider some examples. Examples. Let V is equal to Rn. Example, let V is equal to R2. V is equal to R2. Here, then we define angle bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 x2 comma y2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. तर बघा इथे व्ही हा व्हेक्टर स्पेस आहे आर टू. तर आर टू म्हणजे काय हे आपल्याला माहीत आहे. आर टू इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेअर्स ऑफ द टाईप एक्स कॉमा वाय सच दॅट एक्स वाय बिलॉंग एक्स वाय आर रियल नंबर. तर आर टू जो आहे तो एक्स कॉमा वाय ह्या प्रकारच्या इलेमेंटचा सेट आहे. म्हणजे ह्याच्यातली इलेमेंट हे ऑर्डर्ड पेअर्स आहेत की त्या प्रत्येक इलेमेंटचा ऑर्डर पेअरचा हा रियल नंबर आहे. तर ऑन दिस इज अ व्हेक्टर स्पेस. व्ही इज अ रियल व्हेक्टर स्पेस. नाउ ऑन व्ही वी define such kind of inner product angle bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. तर ह्या ठिकाणी x1 y1 x2 y2 हे रियल नंबर आहेत आणि त्यामुळे x1 इंटू x2 हा मल्टिप्लिकेशन रियल आहे. y1 इंटू y2 हा मल्टिप्लिकेशन रियल आहे आणि दोन रियल नंबरचं सम हे रियल नंबर आहे. देअरफॉर अँगल ब्रॅकेट x1 y1 x2 y2 अँगल ब्रॅकेट x1 y1 x2 y2 हा एक काय आहे रियल नंबर आहे. देअरफॉर धिस रूल असोसिएट एनी पेअर of the vectors of R2, any pair of vectors of R2 with real number, and let us verify this is indeed an inner product. And therefore, in order to verify that this rule is an inner product on R2, we verify all the defining properties of inner product. Property number 1. Now here let us define one by one property. First, let us verify symmetry. Symmetric property. Let u is equal to x1 comma y1. U is equal to x1 comma y1 and v is equal to x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2 belong to R2. Let u is equal to x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Now angle bracket u comma v, angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket x1 y1 comma x2 comma y2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 y1 y2 angle bracket u comma v angle bracket x1 y1 comma x2 y2. Therefore by rule this is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 and angle bracket v comma u, angle bracket v comma u is equal to angle bracket x2 comma y2 comma x1 comma y1 is equal to x2 x1 x2 into x1 plus y2 into y1 is equal to x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2. Therefore angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket v comma u. Therefore symmetry has been verified here. Angle bracket u comma v is equal to angle bracket v comma u. Now here let us additive property. Let us verify property number 2. Let w is equal to x3 comma y3 belong to R3, R2, be any arbitrary element, any arbitrary element. Therefore, now u is equal to x1 comma y1 and v is equal to x2 comma y2. Therefore, now angle bracket u plus v comma w, angle bracket u plus v comma w. Now u is equal to x1 comma y1 and v is equal to x2 comma y2. Now addition in R2 is component wise. That is, in order to find the u plus v, we add their first component, which are real numbers, and we add their corresponding second component. Therefore, here we get is equal to angle bracket u plus v is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2, x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 comma w, w is equal to x3 y3, x3 comma y3, w is equal to x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3, and therefore this is equal to x1 plus, now see here, let now angle bracket u plus v comma w is equal to angle bracket, see here, u plus v is equal to x1 plus x2, x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. This is a u plus v comma x3, now w is equal to x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3, x3 comma y3. Now see, this is equal to x1 plus x2 into x3 plus x1 plus x2 into x3 plus y1 plus y2 into y3 is equal to x1 x3 plus x2 x3 plus y1 y3 plus y2 y3. This is the angle bracket u plus v comma w. Now this is the statement number 1. Now angle bracket u comma w plus angle bracket v comma w, angle bracket v comma w, angle bracket u comma v plus angle bracket v comma w is equal to, now angle bracket u comma v, u is equal to angle bracket u x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 plus angle bracket x2 comma y2 comma y2 comma x3 comma y3 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2, x1 x2 plus y1 y2, y1 y2 plus x2 x3 plus y2 y3. Therefore x1 see here angle bracket UW VW here x3 y3 is equal to x1 x3 plus y1 y3, x1 x3 y1 y3 is equal to x2 x3 plus y2 y3 2. Therefore by 1 and 2 1 and 2 angle bracket u plus v comma w is equal to angle bracket u comma w plus angle bracket v comma w, and therefore the second property is satisfied here, and therefore here additive property is satisfied here. Now let k belong to R be any arbitrary element. Let k belong to R. Now angle bracket ku comma v is equal to angle bracket k x1 comma xy1 comma v x2 comma y2 v x2 comma y2 is equal to angle bracket kx1 comma ky1 comma x2 comma y2 is equal to angle bracket is equal to kx1 x2 plus k y1 y2. Therefore angle bracket ku comma v is equal to k x1 x2 plus y1 y2 y1 into y2 is equal to k angle bracket x u comma v angle bracket u comma v. Therefore third property is satisfied. Now angle bracket u comma u now angle bracket u comma u is equal to angle bracket x1 comma y1 comma x1 comma y1 is equal to x1 into x1 plus y1 into y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square, which is greater than 0 or equal to 0, and angle bracket u comma u is equal to 0 if and only if x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 0, if and only if x1 is equal to y1 is equal to 0, if and only if u is equal to 0 vector, and therefore all the properties are satisfied here. Therefore angle bracket is an inner product on R2. Angle bracket is an inner product on R2. Now तर आपण हे प्रूव्ह केलं की R2 हा इनर प्रॉडक्ट आहे. धिस इनर प्रॉडक्ट ऑन R2 is called as the dot product on R2. Now see here, in general let Rn, we know what is Rn. It is a set of n tuples of real number x1 comma x2 comma xn, so that xi belong to R for all 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to n. Here Rn is the set of n tuples on the real number. तर Rn हा रियल नंबरच्या n टप्पलचा सेट आहे. Rnचे एलिमेंट x1 x2 xn are of this type. When n is equal to 1, Rn is the set of real number. When n is equal to 2, we have R2. When n is equal to 3, we have R3. Now in general, we can verify that if u is equal to x1 comma x2 dash dash comma xn, v is equal to y1 comma y2 dash 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 comma yn belong to Rn, then we define angle bracket u comma v is equal to x1 y1 plus x2 y2 plus x3 y3 plus like this xn yn. We can verify that this is an inner product on Rn. This type of inner product is called as a dot product on Rn. बस गोटे बंद कर.